Welcome to English Literature, UGC NET. Here we are going to discuss most important questions for UGC NET exam. I hope this session will be helpful for you. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to like and share the video. Let's start. First question. The Guild of Shipwrights commonly staged which play? A. Creation, B. Nativity, C. Noah's Ark, D. Last Judgment. The right answer is option C. Noah's Ark. Next question. Which morality play emphasizes penitence before death? A. Wisdom, B. Mankind, C. Everyman, D. Hicks Corner. The right answer is option C. Everyman. Next question. Medieval drama was largely written in which language before English dominance? A. Greek, B. Old Norse, C. Latin, D. French. The right answer is option C. Latin. Next question. Which play depicts human life as a fortified structure under siege? A. Everyman, B. Wisdom, C. Castle of Perseverance, D. Mankind. The right answer is option C. Castle of Perseverance. Next question. Mystery plays were primarily performed in which century? A. 10th century, B. 12th century, C. 14th-15th centuries, D. 17th century. The right answer is option C. 14th-15th centuries. Next question. The Wakefield cycle is also known as the A. York cycle, B. Townley cycle, C. Chester cycle, D. Coventry cycle. The right answer is option B. Townley cycle. Next question. Which biblical book provides the narrative framework for most mystery plays? A. Psalms, B. Revelation, C. Genesis to Judgment Day, D. Acts of the Apostles. The right answer is option C. Genesis to Judgment Day. Next question. The character Mac appears in which famous medieval play? A. The Second Shepherds play, B. The Nativity play, C. Noah's Flood, D. The Harrowing of Hell. The right answer is option A. The Second Shepherds play. Next question. Which cycle is distinguished by its use of a single manuscript containing all plays? A. York cycle, B. Chester cycle, C. and Town cycle, D. Townley cycle. The right answer is option B. Chester cycle. Next question. Morality plays primarily dramatize A. Biblical history, B. Saints' lives, C. Allegorical struggle of the human soul, D. Classical myths. The right answer is option C. Allegorical struggle of the human soul. Next question. In Everyman, which character finally accompanies Everyman to the grave? A. Goods, B. Fellowship, C. Knowledge, D. Good deeds. The right answer is option D. Good deeds. Next question. Which wise character is famous for comic mischief in morality plays? A. Death, B. Mercy, C. Mischief, D. The Wise. The right answer is option D. The Wise. Next question. The N-Town cycle is sometimes called the A. Coventry cycle, B. Ludus Coventrii, C. Wakefield cycle, D. East Anglian plays. The right answer is option B. Ludus Coventrii. Next question. Which medieval play features a comic quarrel between Noah and his wife? A. The Creation play, B. The Fall of Lucifer, C. Noah's Flood, D. The Last Judgment. The right answer is option C. Noah's Flood. Next question. The central theme of mankind is A. Political corruption, B. Religious persecution, C. Temptation and repentance, D. Feudal loyalty. The right answer is option C. Temptation and repentance. Next question. Which morality play includes characters named New Guys, Nowadays, and Not? A. Everyman, B. The Castle of Perseverance, C. Mankind, D. Wisdom. The right answer is option C. Mankind. Next question. Pageant wagons were primarily associated with which type of medieval drama? A. Morality plays, B. Miracle plays, C. Mystery plays, D. Interludes. The right answer is option C. Mystery plays. Next question. The character Death enters unannounced in which play? A. Mankind, B. Everyman, C. Wisdom, D. The Second Shepherds play. The right answer is option B. Everyman. Next question. The wise figure in morality plays later influenced which dramatic tradition? A. Greek tragedy, B. Roman comedy, C. Elizabethan drama, D. French neoclassical drama. The right answer is option C. Elizabethan drama. Next question. Wisdom differs from Everyman mainly because it emphasizes A. Death as inevitability, B. Psychological conflict within the soul, C. Social satire, D. Political allegory. The right answer is option B. Psychological conflict within the soul. Next question. Mystery plays were originally performed on which occasions? A. Royal coronations, B. Easter and Corpus Christi festivals, C. Harvest festivals, D. Christmas court gatherings. The right answer is option B. Easter and Corpus Christi festivals. Next question. Which statement best describes the language of mystery plays? A. Latin and Greek only. B. Courtly French. C. Vernacular Middle English. D. Classical Latin prose. The right answer is option C. Vernacular Middle English. Question for you. A portrait of the artist as a young man uses which narrative technique? A. Omniscient narration. B. Stream of consciousness. C. First-person diary. D. Epistolary form. Submit the right answer below in the comment box.